We're here at the Hilton Garden Inn near SeaWorld here in Orlando. And we got some Fujitecs here to ride. Oh yeah. Heck yes.
Yeah, right.
Fujitec. Why stop at 5? Going up. Going up.
Up?
Yeah. Go ahead, have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Going down. Let's go. There we go.
One last ride.
It's getting a weird controller. But it features called cancellation, which is really interesting. Very nice elevators. Look at this cam. Somebody's gonna film over this. Someone who. So let me get off here. Go ahead. Nope.
Oh, really? Yeah. 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 Okay.
Here's the other one.
Yeah, I think that, hold on a second. You want to go in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I come in? Thank you.
Jumping off or something. Sorry. Yes. Where?
It's right on that side.
We have to go for 7 to get the ice. We came back here to ask.
Where the ice was?
Here's 7.
Yes.
You need help?
I got it.
Okay.
You were an 8?
Yeah, I'm going 8.
Oh, I'm going up.
You going 8?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Sorry.
You're good. For some odd reason, this one does not do call cancellation. More I didn't eat. time was that. This definitely has a weird cancellation feature. Shit, man, that was cool.
Okay.
That was really cool. Some Fujitec's. With this rare call cancellation feature. At a Hilton going in. So anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.